I think it turned out better than we expected.
Way better than we expected.
I'm Julie.
And I'm Jeff, and we live in Walk Hill, New York, and we have lived here 7 years. We needed a place to play in the backyard. If we had questions, you were there. I couldn't believe how fast it moved along.
We had an above-ground pool that we used all the time, so it was time to upgrade.
And it was like a month process. This was all done. And it's gorgeous. We both said, you know, every time you do a project, there's something that you wished was different, or why'd they do that? We never had that question. It's easy to clean, it stays clean, it holds the heat in the water. It's a great product.
It brings everybody together as a gathering spot for sure.
There's something for everyone here.
We already have.
Absolutely, and we have. I mean, you guys really know what you're doing.
Hi, this is Jamie Albert, and I want to thank the Maynards for being great customers and friends. It was a real pleasure to work with them. I also want to thank my team at Albert Group Landscaping and Swimming Pools. They literally did all the heavy lifting, and you can see how talented a team they are with work like this. The vision for this project was to create an incredible backyard getaway with a swimming pool as a centerpiece. We all agreed that the Leisure Pools Caribbean was the perfect model for them, with its stylish curves that allowed for additional landscaping features like the rock waterfall. It also allowed for us to have the pergola and beautiful patio around the pool. The pavers are Unilock's Beacon Hill in Tuscany color. As you can see, they're not only practical, they also add an incredible design element that accents this pool. And yes, it's true, my team accomplished all of this in 1 month. While I can't promise this for every project, I can promise that we will listen to you, give you a fair estimate backed up by our commitment to making your dreams come true. Thank you for watching, and I look forward to showcasing your project next. If you'd like to see more videos, please subscribe. If you'd like to see videos of our latest project, please click or tap over here. If you'd like to see a video where our clients are talking about their experience working with us, please click or tap up here. Thanks again, and hopefully we'll see you in the next video.